In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google. And finally this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click my switcher and all of those features turned grey, that means that autofill is off, but to turn it back on you can always click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!